Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that has the subscription. This ensures you manage the right service. Once signed in, go to Payments and Subscriptions under your account menu so you can see active plans. Make sure you have the payment method details or the order ID handy because those identifiers speed up locating the subscription. This is helpful if multiple subscriptions appear. Now that you're viewing subscriptions, move to the subscription list and pick the Gmail-related plan to manage. Once you've opened the subscriptions list, locate the Gmail or Google One entry. Its name and renewal date tell you which one to choose. Tap Manage or Details to reveal billing cycles, next charge date, and cancellation options. This matters because refunds or prorated credits depend on timing. If you want to stop future payments, choose Cancel. If you need temporary relief, opt to pause or change plan. Make sure to read any pop-up that explains what you'll lose when canceling, then confirm. You finish by confirming the cancellation and noting the effective date and whether a prorated refund applies. This prevents surprises on your next statement. Once done, check your email for the cancellation confirmation and review the billing statement to verify no future charges remain. If the cancel button won't work, clear browser cache or try an incognito window, and if that fails, contact Google support with your order ID. This resolves stuck subscriptions quickly and preserves proof of your request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.